Hey, how are you going? Welcome back to Japan Walks. Now we are strolling around the Kinkaku-ji temple. Today, by the way, I want to talk about something I've truly come to appreciate after living in Australia and spending time in Singapore. The sheer awesomeness of Japanese convenience stores, aka konbini. In Australia, we sure have corner shops, but they can be a bit pricey and not always open late. In Singapore, there's decent variety, but nothing quite like here. Japanese konbini, they're open 24/7, stock everything from fresh meals to stationery. And you can even pay your bills or grab concert tickets. It's also convenient that once you get used to it, you'll never look at a normal convenience store the same way again. So next time you're in Japan, be sure to pop into a konbini and see what all the fuss is about. Well guys, it was a short video with you guys this time, but if you liked this video, please give it a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting walks through Japan and beyond. Lastly, if you have specific places you'd like me to explore, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and catch you later.